Example 6, solving another triangle. First thing I'm going to do is try to draw it. It says angle A is 43.5 degrees. Side A is 10.7 and side C is 7.2 inches. So again, if you think about that temple run and that guy running around, I see an angle and a side, angle, side, side. That indicates that this is case 2. It's the law of signs, but it's case 2. It's the ambiguous case. And so once you know it's case 2 or ambiguous case, you would know that, well, there might be 0, 1, or 2 triangles pop out here. Okay? So when I examine what I've got, these two numbers go together, and this 7.2 is going to go with angle C. I'm going to start with angle C. Let's find angle C first. So use that law of signs. Remember, put your variable on the top and flip the equation upside down if you have to. Sine C over 7.2 equals sine of angle A, 43.5, over 10.7. So we're going to multiply 7.2 times this. (7.2) times sine 43.5 divided by 10.7. 0.4632. Sine C equals 0.4632. To isolate, we're going to do an inverse sine of that number. And I get 27.6. Okay? So far, so good. 27.6 degree reference where sine is positive. Leads me to two different angles, two different answers to that equation. The first one is just 27.6. C equals 27.6 degrees. Or we look at the second one, 180 minus 152.4. C equals 152.4 degrees. That equation, that red equation up above, has two different answers. 27.6 or 152.4. Now, hopefully you get suspicious because this second one is so big. 152 is a pretty big angle to put inside of a triangle. Okay? And so, maybe what you look at is this 152.4 is one of the angles to go along with 43.5. Maybe you notice something about that? That's more than 180 right there, right? 150 plus 40 is 190. That can't possibly work. You might be able to tell right now that that can't possibly work. That second one isn't going to form a triangle. Even though that is an answer to my red equation above, that's not going to form a triangle. And so we can already kind of tell. But let's say you can't tell. If you can't tell, we would go on with the problem solving, and we would find angle B. So angle B is going to be 180 minus angle A was 43.5, and minus angle C was 27.6. It's 108.9. So angle B equals 108.9 degrees. All right, so far so good. We would need to do that to the other side, the other triangle, and let's see what happens with the other one. B equals 180 minus 43.5 minus 152.4. What's going to happen? Yeah, you're going to get a negative number. Negative 15.9. That can't possibly make a triangle. So I'm not even going to look at that. That can't possibly form a triangle, so ignore it. It's not going to work. There's only going to be one triangle. Remember, the ambiguous case tells me there's either 0, 1, or 2 triangles. This one's going to be one triangle. So let's just finish the problem. We've got angle C, we've got angle B. The only thing missing now is this side B. So let's find this side B. Side B over sine 108.9 degrees equals, and you can either use the A's or the C's, it doesn't matter. I'm going to use the A's because those were given to me and I know those numbers are right. 10.7 over sine 43.5 degrees. To solve, I'm going to multiply that right there. I'm going to have 10.7 times sine 108.9 divided by sine 43.5. 14.7. B equals 14.7, and we are in inches. So I think the best thing that you can do is at the end kind of summarize your answer. One triangle exists. And we found angle C was 27.6 degrees, angle B was 108.9 degrees, and side B was 14.7 inches.